my name is Lisandra Antonio, and I'm here with CROC to share with you guys the Republic of CROC Crystalline Collection. As you can see, the iron has an infrared strip that runs through the center of it. This is activated when you turn the iron on. The infrared technology helps reduce heat damage and promotes shinier hair. The iron also has a safety feature. Right here is the color changing cool tip. When this changes colors, you know the iron is hot, so don't touch the plates. To turn the iron on, you want to push the button that's in the center of the iron. This is going to activate the infrared technology. In order to adjust the heat settings, you just push the up and down buttons to the desired temperature. This flat iron comes with ceramic plates that are coated with crushed crystals. The iron has an 8-foot cord that rotates 360 degrees, so it will never tangle. I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a sleek, smooth style with the Republic of CROC infrared flat iron. So I'm going to start by turning the iron on with the button that's in the center of the iron. Then I'm going to adjust the temperature setting to 350 for my hair type. One thing I love about the iron is the digital temperature display. This tells you exactly how hot your iron is, so there's no guesswork. This is something that I suggest that all my clients get when they're buying a flat iron so that they don't damage their hair. I'm going to take a small section of hair and follow my comb with my flat iron. As you can see, this flat iron has one pass technology, which leaves the hair shiny and smooth with just one pass. Once you've turned on the iron, the infrared technology is activated immediately. What that does is it helps to smooth out the cuticle and adds shine and helps maintain the health and integrity of your hair. Are you looking for ultimate straightening results with one pass glide? Look no further than the Republic of CROC Crystalline Flat Iron with infrared technology.